Hey, this is David the Prepper Bookshelf, and today I want to talk about the Herbal Medicine Maker's Handbook. Okay, pretty good book, lots of information in here. Not as much about which herbs solve what problems, even though there is some of that in here, but more about how to make the different preparations. You know, decoctions and lotions and liniments and different types of herbal preparations. You know, how to make hydrosols. You know, how to make tinctures. You know, medicated vinegars, medicated salves. You know, how to actually harvest the plant. You know, what time of year to harvest roots, what time of year to harvest leaves. You know, and then you know, leaves are good for this, and roots are good for that. This is more kind of a formulary, you know, like the USP book. It's not so much as, you know, dandelions help with whatever, but this is how you make a tincture of garlic, you know, or this is how to make a salve. Little bit of spiritual in here, right? And that's probably can't be avoided when you look at herbal medicine. You know, a little bit of history, you know, but this is of most of the herbal medicine books, this is a little more scientific, I guess. It's more of the how-tos and less of the, you know, this is hot and this is, you know, whatever, and you know what I'm talking about, I think. You know, true nature of the plant. So this should not be your only herbal medicine book, but if you're going to try to use herbs as medicine, it should be in your library. This is an area where you shouldn't rely on any one source. You should get lots of sources, and this book does have some good sources, some good resources, you know, other books in the back for you to look at. And so, you know, if you're going to grow an herb garden, then this is probably useful. I've got some out there. This is one area where I need some help at, that I need some practice. And this is also probably an area where you shouldn't do it alone just from a book, that you should get some hands-on training, because some of these plants are going to interact with other plants, you know, because we're talking about chemicals. You're just getting them from, you know, plants, and you know, you think your stuff growing in the garden might be safe for you, but you can really mess yourself up. So you're going to have to get, if this is something you want to do, you need to get lots of resources. But like I said, if you need help in how to, you know, distill the essential oil out of a plant so that you can use it, this is a good resource for that. Okay? So anyway, till next time, you must catch online at preparedness.com. Thanks.